I won! Okay.
I think you might have a kink. Nope, it's coming.
It's coming, it's coming, it's almost there! Oh, it's almost, are you getting it? It's almost there.
You have a kink or something.
Keep going. Let it go.
Oh, wait, you got some, I saw it. No?
It's coming. There it is. There it is. Suck the shit out of that.
You need to see you.
Watching and just listening to them.
Sorry. That's my beverage, too.
She didn't read the directions, did she, Liz?
Hey, by the way.
Wait. Put the glasses on. Insert now I got it. Into your mouth. I had it. Tube into beverage. Enjoy your drink. Ages 5 and up. We're good. I had it. I had it. It swirls around your eyes with every sip. Totally hilarious. It's totally hilarious.
Yeah, it's no.
What?
Yeah,
I've never had
looks good.
Wow, it really starts coming. When it comes, it comes.
Let it. Don't waste the alcohol.
I'd now like to pass it on to the next person because when it starts coming, it's coming.